To place a new image file, click File, Open, or select this icon. To enter text, click Edit, Enter Text, or select this icon. You will see these windows. In this window, you can view the layers of your project. Click on your image or text to select it. To change the layer order, use these icons. To add a new image layer, select this icon. To add a new text layer, select this icon. To delete a layer, select this icon. To duplicate your layer, click Duplicate. When you select an image layer, you will see this window. You can change the position, size, angle, and orientation. When you select a text layer, you will see this window. You can input your desired text, change the font size and style, add an outline, blur the text, and change the position, angle, and orientation. When you're done, select OK.